This cozy vegan potato leek soup is silky smooth and full of flavor. First, pour hot water over cashews so they start to soften. Then, melt vegan butter and cook leeks and garlic until the leeks are soft but not yet browning. Add drained cashews with vegan chicken broth or vegetable broth and blend until creamy. Add the potatoes and the blended cashews to the pot. Add the salt, pepper, and bay leaves. Cover and simmer until the potatoes are soft. Transfer the soup to a blender and blend just until it's smooth. To finish seasoning the soup, add nutmeg and a bit of optional fresh lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Spoon into bowls, top with pepper and chives, and dig in.